hello. Alright, guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer? We're trying to grow the Instagram also, so please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Pew. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we are with the Trap God, the Trap King, Rygin King, with meaning. Yes, because I say Rygin King. I want you forward from Momentum Entertainment. Big up yourself, Momentum Entertainment. Big up yourself, G. We are jumping on it and see what going in a meaning. What's the meaning of meaning? What going in a meaning? You know what I mean? All right. Let's go. Rygin King, meaning, let's go.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Momentum.
Big up yourself, Momentum. Once I hear this start like this, you know it's a problem, cause you know say them man ya. Him song them different.
Well, then, yeah, position. Yeah, skin out the pussy for me know if you make your cream or me mean it.
Skin out the pussy. Wait.
Yeah, Momentum.
For the time.
Well, then,
Get wild.
yeah, position.
One king. Bumbuckler.
Position.
Ready.
Position.
What you say? Hey, yeah.
Skin out the pussy for me know if you make your cream or me mean it.
When me say cream, I mean fudgy. Me no mean Roman raisin. You have skin out the pussy for me, cause me knows. Hey! Hey, yeah.
Skin out the pussy for me know if you make your cream or me mean it.
Mean it.
She knows that she fucking a G, we making money for real like I would print it.
She knows that she fucking a G. We making money like how we print it. Money.
She knows that she fucking a G, we making money for real like I would print it.
Yeah.
I push it V12, now your V6. Water run out of your stream.
Yeah. Rygin King and Meds, man.
She knows that she fucking a G, we making money for real like I would print it.
Yeah.
I push it V12, now your V6. Water run out of your stream.
Run out.
Strike on my bean, I feel. Back shot, robot on his.
Strike on my bean, I feel. Back shot, rub out your knees. Carpet burn, mama. Knee get up, knee red. Couple days later, knee black. Blister up and be sitting. Ready again, man. One king. For the girl them. Momentum Records. Become a 7G. Momentum Entertainment. Sorry, not Records. Momentum Entertainment. Become a 7 fam.
Yeah. Position.
Explicit content.
Yeah. Skin out the pussy for me know if you make your cream or me mean it.
Yeah.
She knows that she fucking a G, we making money for real like I would print it.
Yeah.
I push it V12, now your V6. Water run out of your stream. Strike on my bean, I feel. Back shot, robot on his. When you want fuck out me for one sleep. Tight pussy girl, no love fuck and that shit.
When you want fuck, me for one sleep. Where sleep I go? Where sleep I go? Furthermore, tight pum girl not fuck on that shit. Fling what shit, tear up bed shit that shit way. Furthermore, we not fucking in bed. We outside.
When you want fuck out me for one sleep. Tight pussy girl, no love fuck and that shit.
No.
Anyway, you cock it up at them and push it in. Girl, your breast nipple them no bitter like seriously.
Mama, anyway you cocky up at this, I'm should be in it. Should be in it like how me draw me, I should be back in. Slammy. Nipple no bitter like Cersei, mama. Your nipple no bitter like Cersei, no, sweet like honey. Suck off nipple, nipple pan breast nipple. And they say there, what you said to me?
Anyway, you cock it up at them, push it in, girl, your breast nipple, them no bitter like Cersei. Vibes in a this, I'm here for my chain, no gym, I go bust in your belly like a when the clock breeze.
Vibes in a this, I'm here for match your energy. She can't show 100 and me I show 80. No, that not gonna work. 100 and 100, it have to match up. It have to match up for the thing go right. You know what I mean? Yeah, the two of y'all come same time. Mama, if it's too slow, I come before you still know me, I tell you the truth. If it's too slow, I come before you.
Vibes in a this, I'm here for my chain, no gym, I go bust in your belly like a when the clock breeze. Something about your body, baby. We have real chemistry, cause you give me meaning when we fuck. This is the reason why we fuck. It come with a feeling, this excite me. Have anybody ever tell you you're tiny?
Anybody ever tell us you're tiny, mama, like a needle? Like a needle? Anybody ever tell us you're niggle? You're just little, you're just little so. You just little so. Anybody ever tell you that? Mama, nobody get up and say, your underneath go there, your pum go there in this. No, self-praise is no recommendation, mama. Man, if you tell her that, yes, make up the good girl, I like, you know.
Love when you spit on my thing and shiny. Tell a while, it's alright.
Love when you spit on the thing and shiny. Shiny. Love when you give me a shine. Alright, let's go.
It come with a feeling, this excite me. Have anybody ever tell her you're tiny? Love when you spit on my thing and shiny. Tell a while, it's alright. In a private, you're not no pride. Your breast.
In a private, you're not no pride. Me like the line there. In a private, you not have no pride. Some of them girls, you not have no pride in a public. But big up the ladies in the streets and in the sheets. Is that what I mean? Salute!
Have anybody ever tell her you're tiny? Love when you spit on my thing and shiny. Tell a while, it's alright. In a private, you not no pride. Your breast nipple, them approve my pint. Go there, back it up and jiggle up your back.
Your breast nipple, them approve my pint. That could mean two ways. Breast nipple them pinted. Pinted. Breast nipple them approve my pint. Sweet. You're not better like Cersei. Yo, easy.
Your breast nipple them approve my pint. Go there. Back it up and jiggle up your body for me. Me put diamonds on your neck because you're pretty for real. Have I ever tell us I'm love your dressing? You wear the pussy print off and send a message.
You wear the pussy print off and send a message. Have I ever tell Mama? Remember, say me put diamond on your neck, you know, because you're pretty enough for real, you know. Remember, say me take you out, me bring you to nice places. Some girl, man, only time some man take them out, and when them a go a party, like them a sound box. That's the only time them go out, like them a sound box. That's true. And I mean, say so.
Have I ever tell us I'm love your dressing? You wear the pussy print off and send a message. Every time when me connect you, you're ever ready. Yalla, you have the glue, I hope you hear me say this. Bubble up your body, you're not daddy. Go there, baby. Hey, you give me meaning when we fuck. This is the reason why we fuck. It come with a feeling, this excite me. Have anybody ever tell her you're tiny? Love when you speed for me thing and shiny. Tell a while, it's alright. In a private, you're not no pride. Your breast nipple, them approve a pint.
Yeah.
Skin out the pussy for me, but know if you make your cream on me, mean it.
Yeah.
She know I said she fucking a gym and making money for real like I'm a printed. We should be V12, now your V6. Water come out of your stream. Strike, I'm a pain I feel. Back shot, rub out your knees. When you want fuck on me for one sleep. Tight pussy, y'all no love fuck on that shit. Anyway, you cock it up and them and push it in. Y'all no breast nipple, them no bitter like Cersei. Vibes in a this, I'm off for my chain, no gym. I go bust in your belly like a when the clock breeze. Something about your body, baby. We have real chemistry. You get me feeling, meaning, feeling.
Momentum entertainment, pick up yourself. Yeah, man, I get a bad one from Rygin King. Meaning, for the girl them. Buckler, Chap King said that. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Bad, you bad. Bad, you bad. Bad, you bad, Chap King. Buckler. Some for the ladies them can break out to and go and bad. Tight pum pum girl fuck on that shit. That shit will fling away. Far. Yes. Should be in a V12 in your V6 mama for you. You like it. Nipple and pointed. Yo, what do you think what I wanna do? What I think about that one now? Even though Rygin King lost his mobility, him still not lose the vibe. Him still not lose him talent. The G still there. The G still a put in the work. Big up yourself, my G. You see me? Yeah, man. One king, man. Gotta say the thing tough. Different song, that's it. But yeah, let me know what you think about that one in the comment section. Actually, drop a like on the video. Yes, drop a like on the video. Subscribe, because enough I want to watch and don't subscribe. I don't know how to do it. How to do it. How to do it. No watch and don't subscribe to the channel. No, no, join the member yet to get some exclusive reaction. No, no, join the membership yet. No, not join the channel. Oh, come on, man. No, don't treat me so bad. Eh? That's just a man. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one still. Peace.